come out here, fillet these fish. What I got, just got one of these toadfish. It's a 7-inch. Then we're gonna come up here, get right up under that fin. And I'm just gonna go straight down. There you go. I feel that bone. I'm gonna cut until I feel there. Now, once I feel that bone in his backbone, I'm just coming straight down. Follow it all the way down. You got a piece of meat right there. And all you got is that backbone right there. And all I'm gonna do is I'll flip it over. Come right here. I'm gonna just finish this all the way off. And what I'll do, I'll just come about right here. Go right onto that skin. Just stay right on that skin all the way down. Now, when you're done, that's all you're gonna have right there is just a piece of skin. Now, I'm gonna come in here, that rib bone. Let's go ahead and cut those ribs out. Right there. There you go. You got your nice fillet. Make you some tacos. Maybe blacken it, fry it, whatever you want to do. But like I said, we're making tacos out of us. So we're going to run through that real quick. Knock these out. I mean, it's going to take us a split 10 minutes to knock it out. And it will be done. Again, thank you for following us. If you haven't, go ahead and subscribe, like, follow, and share. Have a great day, and God bless you.